How to connect multiple brother devices to Microsoft Universal Print simultaneously. Requirements: you will need the Brother Mass Deployment tool, which you can download from support.brother.com. On the screen is a link to a video showing how to do this, as well as how to prepare it for use. You will need a Microsoft 365 Entra ID tenant with Universal Print enabled. And you will also need to have a user account assigned with at least the printer technician directory role and a Universal Print license assigned to it. You will also need a utility that can open and edit CSV files. Each brother device being connected to Microsoft Universal Print will always require access to the Internet. Brother devices will also need to have their default admin passwords changed. There is a link on the screen to another video showing you how to do this for one device, as well as multiple devices simultaneously. Each brother device will need to be set with the correct date and time, as this is important for authentication purposes to the Universal Print environment. If your network requires a proxy server for Internet access, brother devices will need to be connected to it before they can be connected to Universal Print. I have posted link on the screen to another video showing you how to do this. In this video, I have already downloaded and prepared the Mass Deployment tool. I copied it to C Brother Utilities. During this video, I will be making several references to this location. To make this operation easier for me, I have created another folder and renamed it MUP, where I will be putting some configuration files into. Connecting devices into Universal Print requires an authorization token. I will now show you how to create one. I need to open a Windows command prompt and type the following command: C Brother Utilities SettingCommand settingcmd.exe EULA -- agree. I will put this and all the other required commands into this video's description. I now need to type this command. What does all this mean? UniversalPrintTokenGenerator.exe is a utility from Microsoft for generating Universal Print authentication tokens. This is the name and location I want the required authorization token to be saved to. Note that it needs to have the file extension of etkn. And this is a mandatory password used to protect it. Once the token generator and required parameters has been run, you will need to sign into your Microsoft 365 Entra ID tenant. Please note that if the user account does not have a Universal Print license assigned and the correct privileges, you will see an error message. If you do, please check the user account and try again. If authenticated successfully and the user has the correct privileges, you should see this success message. I will need to use the command prompt again soon, so we'll leave it open. The folder you specified should now also have a token file. This token will only remain valid for up to 1 hour, after which another one must be created. I now need to go back a folder and go into the Mass Deployment tool folder. Then find and open the Mass Deployment tool utility. I will be using this part of the Mass Deployment tool to create a Mass Deployment template file. From the main window, I need to click the Add Devices button and select the devices that I want to connect to Universal Print. In this video, I will keep things simple and select only one. However, multiple can be selected as well. Click the Add button. I can now create the template file by clicking the 3 lines at the top corner and clicking the Export Profile button. I am going to save my exported profile into the MUP folder I created earlier. To keep things simple, I will name it Profile. I need to make some small modifications to this file, which I will do in Microsoft Excel. In column H, I need to type the brother device's admin password. In column J, I need to type the name and location of the Universal Print token file that I recently created. And in column K is where I need to type the token's password. I assigned it this password a few moments ago in the Windows command prompt. I can now save and close Excel. From the Windows command prompt, I need to type this command and required parameters. But what does this all mean? This is the command line utility I used earlier to agree to the end-use license agreement. It is also used for many other things, including mass deploying universal print connections. The applyup parameter tells the mass deployment tool that we are going to mass deploy universal print connections. This is the name and location of the CSV profile I recently generated and updated. And this is the name and location of a log file that the mass deployment tool will auto-generate after this command has been run. This parameter is required, so you cannot omit it. If successful, you should see this. The last part of this video is to go into Microsoft Azure and share the newly connected Brother device or devices. Here I am going to click the Brother MFC I recently connected. Then click the Share button, followed by selecting who to share it with. I will share it with everyone within my training environment. To finish, I will now click the Share Printer button. Now this device is ready for end user to print to it. If you would like me to show you how end users can find and install it from a Windows computer, click the link on your screen to another one of my handy how-to guides. Thank you for watching. We hope you found it useful. If you did, please consider giving it a like.